Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Okay, what we're going to do is remove the door seal.
To complete this repair, you will not need any tools.
Okay, this is just a press and seal. We're going to remove it by just pulling on it. We're going to discard the old seal and install the new one, line it up and press it in. Okay, let's shut the door and make sure it seals right, and that completes the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.